In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and change LinkedIn username. By the end, you'll know exactly where your LinkedIn username lives and how to customize it into a clean, professional link you can share on resumes, portfolios, and email signatures. Start by opening LinkedIn and heading to your feed. This is the homepage you see after you log in, with your network's updates in the center. From here, look at the top navigation bar and select Me. It's the button with your profile photo. Clicking it opens a small menu with options related to your account. Next, choose View Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page, where you can see your headline, about section, experience, and more. On this page, we're not changing your profile content, just the public link that points to it. On the right side of your profile, find and click Public Profile and URL. This opens the public profile settings in a new view. It's the dedicated spot for managing how your profile appears to people outside your immediate network, and most importantly, where you adjust your custom link. In the upper right area, look for the pencil icon near your current URL and click it. Then select Edit your custom URL. This brings up the field where you can change the last part of your public profile address. This is what most people mean by your LinkedIn username. Now, edit the URL to something clear and professional. A good approach is to use your name, and if it's common or already taken, try simple variations like adding a middle initial or a short job-related keyword. Keep it easy to read, avoid special characters, and steer clear of anything overly long or hard to type. Remember, this is the link you'll share in applications and online profiles, so readability matters. If LinkedIn tells you the URL is unavailable, tweak it slightly and try again. When you're happy with the custom URL, continue as prompted. This step confirms your selection so you can finalize the change without losing your edits. Take a final look to make sure there are no typos and that it matches how you want to present yourself professionally. Finally, click Save. Your new LinkedIn URL becomes active right away. If you've been using your profile link elsewhere, plan to update it so people always land on the correct page. That's all it takes to find and change your LinkedIn username quickly and confidently. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.